Skim-it-a-rinky-dinky-dink, skim-it-a-rinky-doo. I love twos. I love them in the morning and in the afternoon. I love them in the evening underneath the moon. Skim-it-a-rinky-dinky-dink, skim-it-a-rinky-doo. I love twos. You silly. Skim-it-a-rinky-dinky-dink, skim-it-a-rinky-doo. I love twos. Skim-it-a-rinky-dinky-dink, skim-it-a-rinky-doo. I love twos. No? What? What is going on? What is going on? What are you trying to do to Coco, you guys? Uh-oh. He is chewing up strawberry towers. Coco. Cookie, are you going to do anything about it?
Ah.
Oh my goodness, this is going to be bad. Sorry you had to see that, Coco. You come with Mom. You come with Mom. Cookie, what do you think? Are you going to chew it up? What's Coco upset about? Can you guys guess? Yeah, take it up. Use your buttons. Use your buttons. You'll feel better. Don't pay attention to it. It's really bad over there. Skim-it-a-rinky-dinky-dink, skim-it-a-rinky-doo. I love you. Skim-it-a-rinky-dinky-dink, skim-it-a-rinky-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. Do you want to go on the counter? Here, you come up here. What are you doing? Huh? And what are you doing now? Oh my goodness, you're trying to clean. Roo, aren't you gonna sing? There we go. Skim-it-a-rinky-dinky-dink, skim-it-a-rinky-doo. I love twos.